In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a meme coin in Pumpfun. If you want to create a meme coin quickly and with a simple setup, Pump.fun is one of the easiest platforms to use. The process only takes a few minutes and you do not need to set up liquidity manually before getting started. That makes it especially beginner friendly for anyone exploring token launches on Solana. To begin, go to the Pump.fun website. Once you're there, the first thing to understand is what you'll need before launching anything. You should have a Solana wallet ready, such as Phantom or another compatible wallet that works with the Solana network. Your wallet will be used to connect to the platform and complete the token creation process. You'll also need some SOL in that wallet. This is important because SOL is used to pay for network fees, and it can also be used for any initial buying activity connected to your launch. If your wallet is empty, you may not be able to move forward, so it's a good idea to check your balance in advance and make sure you have enough for the full process. Another thing to prepare ahead of time is your coin's branding details. This includes the basic identity of your meme coin, such as the name, ticker, and any visual or descriptive elements you plan to use. Having those details ready before you open the launch page will help the process go much more smoothly and prevent mistakes when entering information. One of the key benefits of Pump.fun is that it uses a fair launch model. In simple terms, that means you are not required to provide upfront liquidity in the way some other token launch methods might require. For creators, this lowers the barrier to entry and makes launching a meme coin much more accessible. As you go through the setup, take a moment to review everything carefully before confirming. Since token details are part of your project's public identity, even small errors can be frustrating later. It's always worth double-checking your coin branding, wallet connection, and SOL balance before proceeding. So, to recap, the main starting point is very simple. Visit Pump.fun, make sure you have a Solana wallet, keep some SOL available for fees and initial buying, and prepare your branding details in advance. Once those basics are in place, you'll be ready to move into the launch process quickly and with much more confidence. That's how to get started with launching a meme coin on Pump.fun.